Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do unboxing of a new brand in India, the Mobiistar XQ Dual. So Mobiistar is a smartphone brand from Vietnam. They're making their inroads in India, and the Mobiistar XQ Dual is the first smartphone in India. So this comes with a dual selfie camera, and this has quite good specifications as well. As of now, we don't know the pricing of the device, so it should be competitively priced. So we are also having a giveaway of the Mobiistar XQ Dual. So watch the video till the end to find out how to win a Mobiistar XQ Dual. So Mobiistar is making an entry into India, and this is the first device. So in this video, let's have a look at the device. We'll unbox the device. We'll show you some camera samples. You can see that this is a selfie focused smartphone with a dual selfie camera, and we also have you can see here 13 plus 8 megapixel dual selfie camera, 120-degree wide angle selfies, fingerprint scanner, and 3GB RAM and 32GB storage. It also has a 5.5 inch full HD resolution display. It has a 3000 mAh capacity battery, and it also comes with a Snapdragon 430 octa-core chipset. So you can see that the processor is mentioned here. 8 megapixel plus 13 megapixel dual selfie camera, 5.5 inch full HD display, 3000 mAh capacity battery, and on the rear camera is again a 13 megapixel shooter. So that's the specification of the Mobiistar XQ Dual. Now let's get started with unboxing. So opening up, so we can see this is another box here. So opening up, you can see the Mobiistar XQ Dual on the top. So let's just take this out, and this is the device. So it is finished in metal, that's something good, and you can see the chrome accents on the top and the bottom panel. So this is the Mobiistar XQ Dual, and it is quite a handy device. So let's just take off this screen guard, and let's boot the device. So you also have a selfie flash included for the front facing camera as well. Now on the hardware aspect, we have the power button on the right side. We also have this SIM tray. So let's just take this out. So this is a SIM tray. You can see it's a hybrid SIM card slot. One SIM card and one micro SD card can be used, or two SIM cards can be used. Then on the left side we have this power volume rocker keys, and top panel houses the 3.5mm audio jack, and the bottom panel has the micro USB charging slot and the speaker unit. On the back panel we have this rear 13 megapixel camera with dual LED flash and the fingerprint scanner and the Mobiistar branding. So let's see what all comes inside the box. So opening up, you can see this has a case included, so some information is mentioned here. So the getting started guide, and we have a case included in this box pack. You can see this is the TPU case, the regular TPU case, quite good. Then we get the charging adapter. You can see the voltage rating is 5 volt 1.5 ampere. You also get a micro USB charging and data syncing cable, and a SIM ejector pin is also included. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the device. So that's the Mobiistar XQ Dual. It has a full HD resolution display, 5.5 inch screen size, 2.5D glass. So it does not have the recent, the latest 18:9 aspect ratio, but it has a standard 16:9 aspect ratio. Let's go to the settings. Let's see the option. So it comes with Android 7.1.2 Nougat out of the box. UI version is 3.0. That's a custom UI, and you can see that it does come with some additional gesture supported, anti-theft option, and some intelligent assistant is also included. So that's the UI. It also comes with some apps included, including theme, sound recorder, a clock widget. Some additional apps are also included. So this UI, and let's see the notifications and quick toggles. So you can see this is the toggles, looks quite good. Now this device also comes with 3000 mAh capacity battery, and let's also have a look at the camera aspect of this device. So this device comes with a rear 13 megapixel camera. So let's just take some shots. So there you go. So that's the shot we are taken. Looks quite good for a budget offering. So we are not really sure about the pricing as of now. So here are some of the samples we are taken with the Mobiistar XQ Dual after unboxing the device. So we'll be posting the detailed review. In that we'll mention how good the camera aspect is. So the Mobiistar XQ Dual also comes with a dual front facing camera, which is primary 13 megapixel camera and a secondary 8 megapixel camera for wide angle selfies or group selfies. So we'll have more details in our review. So that was an unboxing and hands-on with the Mobiistar XQ Dual, which is a new brand in India. So now coming to the giveaway of the Mobiistar XQ Dual. So we are giving away one Mobiistar XQ Dual to one lucky winner. And in order to participate in the giveaway, all you need to do is follow the guidelines mentioned in the description of this video. So you need to follow us on all the social networking platforms, including Twitter, Instagram and Facebook, and also follow Mobiistar on their social networking handles. Comment on this video why you need the Mobiistar, what feature of Mobiistar you liked, and also you can also tweet your answers with the hashtag Mobiistar and enjoy more. So that's the contest rules, pretty simple contest rules, and we have the detailed contest rules in the description of this video. We'll announce the winners on May 30th, so that's the day when Mobiistar XQ Dual will go on sale. So the pricing will be announced after launch, so we'll update the pricing of the device in the comment section. So this is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.